Let's have a look at how to download xlSlim. Open up the xlSlim homepage and go to Downloads. On the Downloads page, click on Latest Version. Click the Download Now button and the download commences. It is always a good idea to verify the integrity of any downloaded files. In PowerShell we use the cert util to calculate the hash of the downloaded installation file. Once we've calculated the hash, we need to check if it is the correct hash. So we go back to our website and check the hash on the downloads page. If we move the PowerShell window, we can see the PowerShell hash is the same as the hash on the web page, so we know the file is correct and hasn't been tampered with. If we look at the properties of the file, we can see the file has been digitally signed by Weber Software Solutions Limited. So we know the file is digitally signed and the hash matches the website, so it is safe to run the file. The default installation location should be fine. Click to agree the terms and conditions. And the installation process should be very quick. Check the box to launch xlSlim. Depending on your XL security settings, you may see a warning message like this. This is XL telling us the add-in is digitally signed, however we haven't chosen to trust the publisher yet. Let's check the signature details. We can see it is signed by Weber Software Solutions as expected. We can also check the certificate details. And everything looks good. It is safe to trust this publisher, so we can click on Enable All Code published by this publisher. In Excel you can use the function isPremiumLicensed to request a trial license behind the scenes. This 14-day trial license will enable all premium features, so you can evaluate them. If you are wondering where to go next, a good starting point is the xlSlim documentation. Go back to the website and go to the Docs section. This opens up the xlSlim documentation. There is a user guide, there are examples, and there is a reference section. A good starting point is the Quick Start page in the user guide. This Quick Start shows how to expose some very simple functions in Excel. Note that all code and examples shown are available to download. In the downloaded archive, you'll see there are Excel files as well as the Python code files. Also check out the YouTube overview video